This is the Tesla mobile connector that comes with the new 2024 Cybertruck, just so you can see what it looks like right here. It's in this packaging here, and when you open it up, it's got a zip up area, so you could store this, bring it with you on the go if you want. I usually just leave mine in the garage, and I just plug it into the a 1450 outlet that I had installed right there. But just this is similar. I had a Model Y before this. It's a similar charger, but just so you can see what comes with the Cybertruck here. This is what it is right here. You got the 1450 plug right here, and then you have the this is just the standard outlet plug, and then this is the power cord right here that you're going to plug in. And if you have the 1450 charger electrical outlet in your garage, you're going to get a pretty quick charge. If you just have the standard outlet, it's a very slow charge, like 3 to 4 miles per hour. The 1450 charge, you're going to get probably about 28 to 32 miles per hour charge. That's what I was doing on my Model Y. But there's a really nice system here. It's made very well if you're going to run this outside. It's a heavy duty cord. I had the Model Y for several years. The cord was outside the garage in bad weather and good weather and hot and cold, and no problems with it at all. I did not have to replace it at all. It worked the same as when I got rid of the Model Y from the first day I got it. So the Tesla chargers are made very well. If you're going to bring it with you, it does roll up really easy, and you could zip it back up here and put it in the back of the vehicle. But this is what you get with the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. It's a really nice charging system. Just want to let you know what it is.